Hey y'all, it's Anthony again with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Got off to a rough start today, but now we are back in business. We've chatted with both of the previous owners, and we're removing things from the house. Going a lot smoother now. We've got an understanding of what it is they want to keep and what can we trash, and we have an understanding now that this property will be empty today. And we're going to do as much to help them along that process as we can, and very happy about progress being made. Oh, yeah. What else do we have? Any other goodies up? We found like a handmade mixer, like a hand mixer up here before. That was pretty cool. Strainer. I guess that stuff doesn't scrap too well, does it? Whoa. That looks like an aluminum
oil sprayer.
Yeah, quick miss, baby. Huh. Bet that's from the 60s.
The ants.
Well, ants are like, come on, man. Oh, look. Whoa, baby, look at them.
You want that sugar?
Yeah, get that sugar, baby. These ants got jungle fever. They want that brown sugar there. Alright. Hey. Alright. I love progress. Progress is cool. Man. Matt and Josh are soldiers, man. These guys just get it done.
Yeah, this is all metal tins in here. You said the trash. So
that's from the kitchen?
It's all metal? Or
yeah, that's all metal. It's all metal.
Scrap, baby. Alright.
I thought she said she wanted them, so I put them all in a bag together. Now she don't want them. So.
Yeah, we can put them on the trailer.
Can you give me a couple of those bags? I'm going to go get all the stuff out the closets, man. And we've been approved to throw away all the clothes.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, this is probably the biggest project going on in York County right now. And Chad and his guys are handling it phenomenally. So if you got other projects like this that you've seen, first of all, give me a call so I can buy it. And then I'm gonna call Chad. We are.
We'll make every other one seem easy.
Oh yeah. We are being safe. Thank you so much for your concern. Definitely, we are being safe. The guys, where we're in, their masks down in the basement, which was very, very advisable given the moisture level and the mold down there. So I have to get that remediated. And yeah, let's take a peek inside. Please tell me we're not keeping that.
No, that's trash.
Okay.
Oh, that's trash.
Oh, that's phenomenal. All right, cool.
Look at this big fucking dresser.
Yeah.
Right.
Uh-oh. What's that? Marketing, Bob. This is a really nice dresser. This, oh my God, this is so solid. Bob, this dresser is amazing.
It's older than me.
Man. So I guess by default that means it's older than me, huh? Probably.
Two more up there like that.
Man, wow. That's incredible.
The nicest piece in this house.
Yeah. And the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and co-sign with you on that. That is like...
What do you see that original Leonardo da Vinci we have in the house?
Yeah. That original Leonardo da Vinci Bob shop.
Yeah, the original Mona Lisa.
Yeah. It's just Mona now?
Yeah, she just moaned a bit.
Just dropped the Lisa off.
Well, no, they told me they had Lisa on.
Yeah?
And Legend had, he had painted it for someone, never gave that guy the painting and carried it around for the rest of his life.
Bob, you missed your calling as a storyteller, man.
You know when they talk about the Mona Lisa, they always say look at the smile?
Yeah?
That's not the greatest feature.
What is the greatest feature?
The hand. The hand's the hardest body part of my paint. Yes.
Oh my gosh, Bob is hilarious. Alright. Man, these floors are so solid.
How about this lamp here?
Yeah, it matches all the other ones.
Keep it?
The shades of a little bit.
Get it out the way.
Is that an antique?
That thing's so old. It's crumbling.
You guys didn't want to keep that shade?
This is keeping it from going in the truck.
Oh, yeah. If somebody owns bought the trunk, that two-tier part that we took home,
Yeah.
I didn't want to use it.
I seen you going backwards.
We dropped it on the way,
I seen you.
Rapid Road. I took the bumper of a car with it.
Oh, did you?
Yes, and then we got it home. But it's still in the storage unit now. And Bob's trunk can be filled.
They didn't put yours in there.
Alright, so we've been instructed that all the clothes, well, this has been fairly well emptied out.
You guys are getting it now. Huh? How about this one here?
Oh Lord, man. Alright, so I'm peek at this ceiling. If anybody has any connects with HGTV, with A&E, with DIY, I have a lot of interesting footage that I think would make for some good, at the very least, commercials. But I think this would make for really good TV. Wish I had a professional camera crew to capture this, because it has been one heck of an experience. But you know, our allegiance is to our clients. You know, so we specialize in helping people out of situations that, even though they create it for themselves, you know, we want to be here to try to help. You know, at least as best as we can. You know, alleviate their condition, restore their life back to some semblance of normalcy. But in some cases, you know, you have to help those who want to help themselves, and sometimes you just have to put your foot down and get things done in the sake of, you know, running a profitable business. What's up, Paul? Hey, Crystal.
No, that one goes to my house to the shed.
She said the back.
Gotcha.
Thanks.
No problem, man. Thank God it's a cooler day today. Literally that, you know, we're in the 80s versus the 90s that we have been, so that's cool. Have a look at this, have a look at that file cap that's been completely corroded out. we are getting to actually throw that away, so that's cool. So yeah, upstairs is empty. Basement is practically empty. Now we're down to this floor here. I'm gonna clean the closets out, and we're back on schedule. So what a blessing that is. All right, making progress on determining what is garbage.
Did she say this was trash?
Yep.
That's trash?
All that's trash. That's trash, that's trash.
All right.
I'm just checking in because of Tom's shit. She has a duster at home that's better than this. Check the big shit. You check the box, you check the big building.
Is there anything in those drawers? Bob is a smart man. Bob is a smart man.
Hey, I'd rather be a live chicken than a dead duck. Right?
Bob is a smart man.
That's all we had to tell him all along. She said get rid of it.
Yeah. Look,
You get rid of it. If she says it, you do it.
look. Happy. What they say? Happy wife, happy life, right?
Right, you want to dump that nasty
Oh man.
ass-
Is that insulation or something? Or wait. Is it insulation or is that just corroded coal?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Something. It's like a rat net.
What's up, Dre? Man, we I don't even know, man. We ain't talked in a long time, bro. I'm a real estate investor now, and so I basically purchase properties like this and renovate them and restore them, and then I sell them to folks who are not able to qualify for mortgages or lending through traditional lending institutions like banks and credit unions and whatnot. And I help them out with either, lease to own scenarios or owner financing. And then I also rent out to veteran families. So I try to focus on helping, minority and those who are historically disadvantaged, and to get into beautiful properties and beautiful neighborhoods like this, So that's what I do now. So right now we have a house situation where it was, we've had a lot of stuff collected here over the last 80 years. And I bought the property last week, told the owners that we would help, kind of remove some of the things for them. And just turned into a cluster because obviously we want to get rid of things as quickly as possible. And now by trying to help and appease these guys, they're slowing up progress, wanting to keep everything and move it to storage and move it to their other residents around the corner. And so it's a tough situation, to be perfectly honest, one of which I've never really encountered. I don't think I was really prepared for it, but there's some professional help and assistance that is really needed on this project. But yeah, man, Dre, I'm gonna send you my number, bro. Let's chat, man, because obviously, I not only do this up here in PA, man, but North Carolina as well, man. I'm trying to branch out nationwide and do this, man. So I'll definitely send you my number, man. Let's connect, bro. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, man. You've always been a phenomenal coach, man, and mentor and instructor, bro. So I appreciate everything you've ever done, man. So I know Shannon wanted this baby doll bed, so I'll grab it. See if she wants to restore it.
Let's go to storage.
Of course, everything goes to storage. Shannon, if you're watching, I got you. You can restore this old wooden baby doll bassinet. Don't say I never did anything for you. Even though y'all been great neighbors, man. You've actually done more for me than I have, so we'll call this square. Throw it in the back of the truck real quick before they decide they want to keep it. Alright, so, and we're back. Got it. We've had so much love and support from the neighbors because this property has been kind of an issue for the neighborhood and for the township for quite some time. And so a lot of folks were calling in and complaining. And so now they see that we're cleaning the property out and getting things out, man. A lot of people are just stopping by, introducing themselves, saying that anything that we need, any help, assistance, tools that we may need, they're more than willing to provide for us. And that in itself is really cool. Because it's a really, 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 really nice neighborhood. So, howdy. And a lot of people are just curious, you know, nosy folks just want to know what's going on. But yeah, this is cool. So anyways, I'm gonna go do some work, clear out these closets, man. My goal is still to get this property empty today, even though we've had some challenges. But the goal is still the goal, which is to have this place completely butt naked and empty and ready for the contractors to start on Monday. So I'm out. It's Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. My man Chad back there in the background. Out here at our latest property, getting it renovated, restoring lives one home at a time, adding value to your neighborhoods. That's what we do.